today's video, I'll be sharing with you watermelon and berry salad. It's so easy, delicious, and so refreshing. Let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The first thing we will need 5 cups of watermelon. I already have it cut as a cube. I have 1.5 cups of strawberries and 1 cup of cherries. The seeds is out. I did use the straw to get it out and cut it in half. And also I did cut my strawberry as well. Right here I have blackberries and blueberries. I have 1 cup of blackberries and 1 cup of blueberries. We will need 1/4 of a cup of fresh mint that is already chopped. And I made a dressing for this fruit salad. I have about 2 lemon juice. I have 1 teaspoon of a zest of a lemon, and I have 1/4 of a cup of honey. Let's add that. And now let's mix our salad. It's a nice dish to add if you have any gathering to your dessert table. It's refreshing. Everybody will love it, especially for the summer season. Since everything is mixed, let's give it a try. This salad is so good. Sour, sweet. The fresh herb on top of it, it makes it taste so good. So easy, so delicious. Let me know if you're gonna try it or not, and if you liked it or not. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!